Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the basics of Manhattan distance. It's a little similar to Euclidean distance. If you haven't seen my video, go and check that out from before. It will be in one of those corners, so you can go and check that out. And then tomorrow I'm going to upload a video on how to do Manhattan distance but in Python. So keep your eyes peeled for that. Manhattan distance is similar to Euclidean distance because of the fact that you're trying to find the way from one point to another, but it's slightly different. Let's say we have coordinates a1 and a2 and b1 and b2. We need to find the distance from one to the other. Although we have the coordinates in the same place as in the previous example where we went through Euclidean distance, the way we go about calculating it is slightly different. Manhattan distance is also known as city block distance. This is because it's similar to the way someone would walk around a city block. You often can't go the fastest way and just take a diagonal route through different buildings. So that's the way you should be thinking about calculating Manhattan distance. To calculate the difference from the first coordinates to the next, we take the absolute values of a2 minus b2 and a1 minus b1. Now, absolute value might be a different term to you guys, but in practice, absolute value means to basically remove any negative sign in front of a number and to think of all numbers as positive. But the definition I like to go by is that the absolute value of a number is how far away it is from 0. For example, minus 10 is as far away from 0 as positive 10 is. So the absolute value of 10 is 10, and the absolute value of negative 10 is 10. So based on what was mentioned above, d, where d is the distance, is equivalent to the absolute value of a1 minus b1 plus the absolute value of a2 minus b2. And that's it. That's all you have to do to work out Manhattan distance in 2 dimensions. If you like that video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Go and check out the previous video if you haven't already. And I've got another one coming later on Hamming distance. And that'll conclude the 3-part mini-series, I guess, on what this is. So, yeah, until next time, bye.